What is going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and it is bright and early in the morning right now, and today Apple just announced the brand new iPhone SE 2020. So obviously there's been a lot of speculation leading up in terms of the name, the release date, and the name is called the iPhone SE and nothing else. We thought it was going to be called the SE2 or the iPhone 9, but today I'm here to tell you all about it. As I promised though, I will be doing a giveaway of the iPhone SE 2020 model, so if you guys are looking forward to that, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and leave a comment down below as to what your favorite color is, and make sure you have notifications on and look out for my review of this phone because that is a video I'm going to be announcing the giveaway rules. So for starters, the phone itself, as expected, looks just like the iPhone 8, except for the Apple logo being in the middle. It is available in 3 different colors, including the space gray or the black version, as well as a silver and white, and last but not least, the product red, which of course is red. The phone is available in 3 different storage options, including 64, 128, as well as 256, and a starting price at the budget price point of $399. So this phone essentially is similar to what they did with the original iPhone SE, which is bring back a small form factor that a lot of people loved, but put in the brand new specs and the CPU and everything. That is kind of the same deal as to what they've done here with the iPhone 9. It has Apple's latest mobile processor, which is the Apple A13, and that is the same processor found in the current flagship, the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. When it comes to the display on the front, it is a 1334 by 750 resolution display that is 4.7 inches on the smaller model at a PPI of 326. The only difference is that this display does not have the Force Touch that you have on the iPhone 8, but instead has 3D Touch. The phone itself does also use Touch ID. The camera is actually the same one as the iPhone 8. It is a 12 megapixel sensor along with the flash, and there is also the option to use portrait mode as some of the capabilities in the processing allow it to do so, and it only works with people. They also state that the A13's Bionic chip also improves the HDR performance. The phone can also record in 4K 60 and has optical image stabilization, and there is also a 7 megapixel camera on the front, which can also do portrait mode effects. Of course, we also can't forget about the larger model, which is also expected to come, and the reason why that is a little bit delayed is apparently because there's production setbacks on the secondary camera. And that is of course due to like the whole virus situation, and we also thought that the iPhone that was announced today was also going to run into similar problems as well when it comes to production schedule. Otherwise though, in terms of my opinion, I feel like this phone fits very well in the lineup. You look at the lineup right now, you have the iPhone 11 that is $699 that had a $50 price reduction from the previous year, which was the XR, and the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max start at prices of $999 and $1199 respectively, which goes into the premium tier. Personally, the iPhone 8 is a great form factor. It has been my backup iPhone for the past couple years because I just didn't want to spend $700 on a phone that I just don't use that much, especially after I spent thousands on the iPhone 11 Pro and the 512 gig option. As always, I'm going to be very excited to check it out, so make sure you have notifications on as I'm going to be reviewing it as soon as I get my hands on it, and I'll see you all in my next video.